Hi guys, it's Adam from iClimate, and today I want to show you a house that we're working on in West London, installing some air conditioning into the top floor loft bedrooms. So why don't you guys come on inside and take a look at what we're doing for these clients. So now we're in the top floor bedroom where there was an air conditioning system in place previously which wasn't working correctly because it was only supplying air, i.e. air intake, into the room, and it wasn't actually taking any air from the room. So there was no air circulation within the room and we weren't conditioning any of the air. So this was what was in place initially. It's quite a large square grille the client had installed within the ceilings. We've now removed that and we have supplied something like this, which is a circular air grille, a lot more discreet while maintaining the right capacity of airflow. If you have a look up into the ceiling at this one, it'll give you an idea of what that looks like within the ceiling. Alright guys, so here we are in the loft, and what's in front of you right now is a ducted air conditioning indoor unit which we've installed here. This unit is supplying air into the room that we were in below through some ductwork, which you can see here, which is flexible ductwork and solid ductwork at the furthest points. It's also going to take return air intake from the room at the back of the unit, so it properly conditions and temperature controls the room. What you're looking at here is the interconnecting refrigeration pipework, which we've installed running throughout the loft space. These two pipes and the cable are basically the interconnecting services that we need to install in your home if you want air conditioning between the indoor and the outdoor unit. So why don't we go outside and I'll show you where we put these outdoor units. Hi guys. We're on the outside on the side of the roof, and right next to me is a typical outdoor air conditioning unit. This unit will adequately heat and cool a medium-sized living room or a large bedroom. As you can see here, there are 3 of these units connected to 3 of the indoor units that we showed you in the loft previously to serve 3 of the top floor bedrooms. Right guys, so today we've shown you an example of concealed air conditioning in a large London townhouse. So if you have a large loft space in your property and you want to cater for the top floor bedrooms without having physical units in the room, then we can offer you this solution. Get in touch today for a free quotation at iclimatesolutions.co.uk, or if you want to see an example of our work, check out our Instagram page at iclimate.solutions. Thank you.